Hi everyone! Welcome back to Learn English with Context. In today's video, you'll meet Jane, an English learner, and Ethan, a native speaker. Jane will share her daily routine, but she'll make some common mistakes in word choice that many learners also make. Don't worry. Ethan will help her by correcting those mistakes, so you'll learn the natural, native way to express yourself in English. But before watching, tell us in the comments, what's your daily routine in English? Try to write it out, and maybe spot if you've made any of the same mistakes. And of course, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. That really helps us a lot and lets us make more English lessons for you. All right, let's get started.
Hey, can you tell me about your daily routine?
Sure. Every day I open my eyes at 7 o'clock.
Open your eyes? Oh, you mean wake up. In English, we say wake up to start the day.
Yes, I wake up at 7. Then I go out of my bed.
Oh, I see. We don't say go out of my bed. It's get out of bed.
I get out of bed. Then I brush my teeth.
Oh, that's a common one. We say brush my teeth. The plural form of tooth is teeth, not tooths.
Right. I brush my teeth and clean my face.
Haha, you mean wash my face.
Yes, wash my face. After that, I go to the kitchen and make my morning food.
Morning food? Oh, you mean breakfast.
Oh, yes, breakfast. Usually I take breakfast with coffee and bread.
Sounds tasty. But we don't say take breakfast. We say have breakfast.
Okay, I have breakfast with coffee and bread. Sometimes an apple also.
Nice. Just say sometimes I also eat an apple.
Right. After breakfast, I wear my clothes.
That makes sense. But in English, we say I get dressed or I put on my clothes.
Oh, yes. I get dressed, then I put my shoes in my foot.
Oh, careful. It's feet, not foots. And we say put on my shoes.
Yes, I put on my shoes. Then I go outside of my house.
That's clear, but more natural is I leave the house. We usually say leave the house when we start our day and go somewhere else, like work or school. Go outside only means step out the door, but you might still stay near the house.
Oh, I see. I leave the house and go to my work.
Ah, small mistake. We say I go to work.
Okay, I go to work. I sit at my table.
You mean sit at my desk. We use desk because it's the special table you use for working, usually with a computer, papers, and office things. Also, we say sit at a desk, not sit in a desk.
Interesting. Yes, I sit at my desk and work with my computer.
Almost. In English, we usually say work on my computer instead of work with my computer. We use on because it means you're using the computer as a tool to do tasks, not working together with it like a partner.
Yes, I work on my computer. I answer to emails.
Almost right. Just drop to, so it becomes I answer emails.
Sometimes I write papers for my boss.
That's good, but we usually say report instead of papers.
And sometimes I sit with my colleagues and we talk about work.
Oh, you mean you have a meeting with your colleagues?
Yes, I have a meeting with my colleagues. At 12 o'clock, I eat my food.
Yeah, we call it lunch.
Yes, for lunch, I eat 2 slices of bread with ham.
Sounds good. But in English, we'd say, I have a sandwich with ham.
All right, I have a sandwich with ham. Sometimes I go outside to eat.
More natural is, I go out to eat. We use to go out when we leave the house to do something fun or social, like eating at a restaurant or meeting friends. Go outside only means step outdoors. maybe into the yard or the street, but it doesn't always mean for an activity like eating out.
Oh, okay. I go out to eat. After lunch, I go inside again to work.
Almost. You just say, I go back to work.
Yeah, I go back to work. After I finish, I return to my home.
Perfect idea, but in English we say, I go home.
I go home and lay on the sofa.
Ooh, small difference. We say lie on the sofa, not lay. Lie means to rest your body in a flat position, which is what you do on a sofa or a bed. Lay, on the other hand, means to put something down. For example, I lay the book on the table. So when you're talking about yourself resting, you should use lie.
Yeah, I lie on the sofa and see TV.
We don't see TV, we watch TV.
Yes, I watch TV. Later, I cook the dinner.
Ah, good sentence. Just one small thing. We usually say cook dinner without the. We don't normally use the before meals like breakfast, lunch, or dinner, unless we mean a special one, for example, the Christmas dinner. So here it's simply, I cook dinner.
Okay, I cook dinner. Usually, I make rices or pasta.
Oh, yummy. Just remember, rice is uncountable. Say, make rice.
Oh, I make rice or pasta. After dinner, I clean the plates.
That's fine, but wash the dishes is the usual phrase.
Yes, I wash the dishes. Sometimes I read one book.
Reading is great. Just say a book, not one book.
I see. Sometimes I read a book or I talk with my friend by telephone.
Nice. Just a little adjustment. We usually say talk to my friend instead of talk with. Both are possible, but talk to is more common in everyday English. And instead of by telephone, we say on the phone.
In the evening, I walk around the street.
That's healthy, but we usually say I go for a walk.
Yes, I go for a walk. Sometimes I hear music.
Ah, you mean listen to music. Hear is passive. It just happens when sound reaches your ears. Listen is active, which means you choose to pay attention to the sound. So when you enjoy music, you say you listen to music.
Great, thank you. I listen to music, then I brush my teeth again and sleep on bed.
Close. We just say, I go to bed.
I go to bed 11 o'clock.
Almost perfect. Just add the preposition at. I go to bed at 11 o'clock. We use at before clock times in English.
Yes, I go to bed at 11 o'clock.
Oh, that's a good routine.
Great job following along. Now that you've seen the mistakes and corrections, let's listen to the corrected conversation, this time without any errors. Listen carefully and repeat after the speakers. Try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. This is the best way to train your ears and mouth to sound more natural in English. Ready? Let's start with the corrected conversation.
Hey, can you tell me about your daily routine?
Sure. Every day I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Nice early start.
Yeah. Then I get out of bed, brush my teeth, and wash my face.
Good habits.
After that, I go to the kitchen and make breakfast.
Oh, what do you usually have?
I have coffee and bread, and sometimes I also eat an apple.
Simple and healthy.
After breakfast, I get dressed and put on my shoes.
Then it's time to go, right?
Exactly. I leave the house and go to work.
Where do you usually work?
I sit at my desk and work on my computer.
Oh, office life. What do you usually do?
I answer emails, write reports, and sometimes have meetings with my colleagues.
busy day.
At 12 o'clock, I have lunch, usually a sandwich with ham, but sometimes I go out to eat.
Going out for lunch sounds nice.
Yeah, it's a good break. After lunch, I go back to work.
And when you finish?
I go home, lie on the sofa, and watch TV.
Sounds relaxing.
Later, I cook dinner, usually rice or pasta.
Oh, delicious.
After dinner, I wash the dishes. Sometimes I read a book or talk to my friend on the phone.
That's a nice way to spend the evening.
Yes, I also go for a walk sometimes or listen to music.
Oh, I love listening to music in the evening too.
Then I brush my teeth again, and at around 11 o'clock, I go to bed.
Perfect routine. It sounds healthy and balanced.
Thanks. It keeps me organized every day.
Great work today. You've practiced listening, repeating, and now you know how to avoid these common mistakes in English. Remember, improving takes time, but small corrections every day make a big difference. So keep practicing your daily routine in English. If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a like and subscribe. It really supports the channel and helps us bring you more useful content. See you in the next video.